Tactile typing, without the noise. Calling all keyboard switch enthusiasts. If tactile is your type and silent is your sign, then the Aliaz Silent switches from Gateron are your ideal match. Available in both 60-gram and 70-gram weight options, these switches feature a 5-pin PCB mount with full Cherry MX compatibility. Typing feel. In terms of feel, they're closest to Cherry MX clears, though they're designed to be both smoother and quieter. Clear housing with LED support. With SMD LED support, each Aliaz Silent switch is engineered with transparent housing and a pink stem. Pack size. Choose a 70, 90, or 110 count pack to fit any board. Compatibility. Gateron Aliaz switches are 5-pin PCB mount. The 2 additional pins allow these switches to be mounted directly to the PCB instead of the traditional 3-pin Cherry MX style plate mount switches. Enthusiasts regularly will cut the 2 extra pins, which will convert these switches to 3-pin plate mount Cherry MX style. Top reviews from the United States. Thick, thocky and silent. Perfect stock silence. Don't listen to the haters. If you're looking for something quiet but with a reasonable amount of thought, this is fantastic. Got 60s and 70s, but I prefer the 70s. Feels better with the resistance. YMMV